Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your BMW i4. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, open area, free from any obstacles. Make sure the battery has sufficient charge, ideally above 50%, for optimal performance. Finally, confirm that all doors are securely closed before proceeding. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and safe launch experience, preparing you for the next steps. To activate launch control, begin by selecting the Sport Boost driving mode. This mode optimizes the vehicle's settings for maximum acceleration. Next, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. While holding the brake, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You should feel a slight resistance and hear the engine revving, indicating launch control is ready. With launch control engaged, the exciting part begins. Quickly and completely release the brake pedal. The car will immediately accelerate with full power. It's important to maintain full throttle for maximum acceleration during this phase. Keep the steering wheel straight to control the vehicle's direction as it rapidly gains speed. Enjoy the incredible thrust of your BMW i4. After a thrilling launch, smoothly ease off the accelerator pedal to gradually reduce speed. If you plan on performing repeated launches, allow the vehicle's components to cool down for a few minutes between attempts. Always practice this technique in a controlled, safe environment away from public roads. Remember, responsible driving ensures both safety and enjoyment of your BMW i4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.